Smile, 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 yeah. Smile, yeah. Smile, yeah. You know, say most times when
born, yeah. Born. You know, say sometimes when waiting you want to talk.
I decide to say I go to celebrate happiness. Anyway, celebrate happiness. If you like, make you say that for there. They find how you go take the form vexing for the whole world. Nobody send your personal issues. We are here to make sure we are here to entertain people. After we entertain people, you go back to your normalcy. Hello, how are you? We welcome all of you now back to the Party Party show today. You know, today na the
you know they ever know dates.
No, na the third day.
Ogbolor, you know they ever know dates. They don't tell you put inside your ear.
Number 3.
You know they ever come out.
The third day of the month of March will be the 3rd month of the year. You know what they do. All right, so we welcome everybody back to the show. You know, how na day go, how na sleep be, how na yesterday be. We pray say today go make too much brain for all of you now. How there, like I said earlier, please just smile on it, smile on it. All right, so I get my favorite girl here with me, Mayowa, a.k.a. Mayalistic Baby, a.k.a. Baby Too Fine, a.k.a. Baby Too Doom, a.k.a. Baby Too too bad, too anyhow, you know, a.k.a. every, Mayalistic Baby.
Okay, so I just want to make one confession now.
Yeah, confess it.
Ogbolor.
Yeah.
I don't realize, I don't accept my destiny. Okay. Say nothing when I do for this life, I don't feel fat. You understand? So today, yes, I want to make it official that I'm a teen girl and I'm proud of it. You know,
say where you did now, what you just talk now, they remind me of some Calabar people or some Akwa Ibom people or some people from that side where we get one neighbor that time. If you want to follow and quarrel, she go first tell you some kind things first. So you know you can't get anything to take yabam. She'll tell you, say, I not say we they do houseboy work. I not say my people from our side we they short with the key. I not say people from our side we sabi do washerman work. We sabi do all those work. Waiting you want talk again. You won't come cause and you don't say anything to talk. You go say talk now. She'll come start at home. Don't finish you. So you saw where you talk now. Say you are a slim girl. People the way they always yab you say my wife slim.
Wait till I want talk again. I don't already know. Say I no get body. Exactly. Like, I've even seen my leg. I know. So today I don't accept them.
Now what's the way people go need to learn?
What is new again?
Yes, learn it.
What is new? You need to accept yourself the way you are. Yes. What is new inside of you?
Just the way you are.
Just the way you are.
You don't spoil the song. That song is slow.
Just the way you are.
Love yourself.
Just the way you are.
Love yourself.
Yeah, we are going on a break. When we come back, we will continue beyond. Just the way you are.
Hey!
Pull my legs over. Pull my legs over. Zach, help me now. Help me now. Ah! Oh! Oh my God. Okay, you all right? Sitting.
Ai, meu Deus!
On the lighter P. On the lighter P.
Oh my God.
Many laughter. The one we see people and go to just carry the other guy. You no expect them. From nowhere, the goat just come, just carry him.
Goat.
I don't call him bull now. I just not bull. No, they talk like say person don't know anything.
Ogbolor, you don't know.
I don't know anything.
You don't know anything. You call him goat. Why you don't just call him the bull when he be? Why you first call him?
Not be everybody. Not they do say you do sabi anything. Forget this way you do like this. When they worry this guy. It's too early for this thing. You cannot share.
See, defense mechanism.
I know it's a goat.
Why you defend?
I know it's a bull rather.
Why you defend?
What they worry yourself?
Ogbolor. Ogbolor.
I beg you talk to this yan the yan jare. I beg.
Put
yan the yan. Yan the yan. No, they copy me. They talk anyhow.
If you see me drive by, holla at your girl. When you see me moving in, holla at your girl. Just holla at your girl. I want to talk my G's this morning.
Morning. If I want to capitalize on this one now.
Now morning, I come out.
Shut up, you.
Pidgin na morning.
Come over there.
English
Pidgin
na
waiting.
Pidgin na morning.
You know what say for local this thing.
English na
goat,
morning.
Bull, and everything are goat.
Onirosi.
Come on for there.
Come on. You want to? I will rub my lipstick on your hand now.
You can't touch woman now. Because they be like, say anything you just do.
Touch me now.
Now woman back.
Touch me back.
See.
Touch me back.
Mayowa.
Touch me.
For my mind, you need that. I they slap on your eye for my mind like this. And you need that. You don't hands up. What's wrong about you? Read your gist, Jerry.
Okay, so for inside the London place. For inside the London place now, some two family people them born twins. Now Lucy and Maria Ayelna, yes, Lucy and Maria. Now twins they be 18 years old now. But these twins they don't look anything alike. Now the papa na pure white man. You understand? The mamanko na Jamaican woman. Black Jamaican. Rastafari rice pack and chop. You understand? Now, when they come born the twins, one black, the other one white. Now, the other children, then they in between. But these particular ones, it was one black, one white. It's so bad that people, if they tell people say they're between, they don't agree. The other one gets straight hair, the other one gets kwekwe hair. So even the school where they study for different school. Some of their friends, they say, bring una certificate to funa no so una between. Because they don't resemble at all, Ogbolor.
They don't resemble.
They don't resemble. But the other one talks, say, they always like him. She always like him. If she goes to school, tell people, say, I be twins. You understand? Yes. So when she comes show her twin sister, she go say, I'm proud to have a black twin sister. Don't go say, I'm proud to have a white twin sister. But they are the world's most unidentical twins. But they come out from the same...
Wolo.
Yeah. And they have the same... Blah, blah, blah.
But I like that one, Sha. Even me and my twin sister will not to resemble like that. But now because we be man and woman. We'll not to resemble like that.
When I get the same shape of mouth, the same eye, the same forehead. Come on.
No, you don't get the same forehead.
When I resemble.
Forget. I don't know who
I go bring her come this show one day. She goes down for here like
she can't disgrace me for here.
May she come.
All right, but we'll just leave that one. Joyce, whoever you are. Now she be tired. I'm the candy. And me and they agree for that thing.
No wonder you stubborn.
Man must be man.
You stubborn.
I'm not stubborn, right? I'm just on my, man pee. Something now. All right, but we can go inside Australia. Now this particular gist I want drop now happen. Husband and wife who don't marry for several years now. They got to wait for about 9 years before they fit touch light. Wow. May that not be your portion.
Amen, man.
Simply because the woman get one particular, what I want to use now to call the central nervous system, no. The
vaginal infection.
Okay, the transformer infection where the woman gets, they always make them know the fit touchlight with her husband. If they cause some pain anytime they try to do them. The infection they cause make the muscles around the wobblers, they tighten during penetration. You understand? So
they're painful.
They're very, very painful for the woman. So because of that one, 9 years, they don't fit touchlight. He said this don't cause them pain. It don't cause them different things. Now, medical people don't talk say no work fit day on top of the whole thing. But this couple say nothing. Say they must find how they'll raise funds, do something to make sure say they cure this particular wahala where the woman they go through. Because like this now, they cause them plenty pain. It don't set them apart because now on that particular level they cannot be a bonding thing.
There's no physical bonding.
Yes, you understand.
And when you have a physical bonding as a man and woman, it increases your spiritual bonding. Yes. Then it will not increase the family bonding, and then the bonding will not be a bond. Sad story.
What do you talk just now?
Bonding.
Hey, okay. But tell you which way, how you not go know? When you don't bond finish everywhere, bonding things. 10 years anniversary they will soon do very, very soon. And the woman thought she pray say before that time and make this whole thing done cure.
You know say you just insult me, Nana.
How? How to insult you?
You know say you just insult me.
No, Nana. Person when they reveal something, I know something now. Close share my I never read that story.
I go use Omo.
For
Omo, I go lock you inside bathroom. Wash your mouth.
You lock me inside bedroom. You lock me inside bedroom. Mayowa. Hey, when we go break, we they come back. We'll see continue on top yarn the yarn. You lock me inside bedroom. Hey, Wazobia PADI PADI on top Twitter. I'm gonna follow us. So Wazobia PADI PADI. Give us gist about this particular gist we will just see now. What you feel about it? What the woman go feel do? And on the other side, what you feel about the twins gist where she just dropped? Okay?
Yes, and Ogbolor, before we even go for break, I beg I go like tell everybody we be woman for there. If you notice any small thing, go check yourself because I sure say now the thing graduate. Yes, before you know say woman body our body. Hey, you understand me now? So to avoid 9 years of to avoid 9 years of no commiseration after you have to check this thing.
Women,
check it.
She dey talk to una from experience.
Telling you this thing.
We'll go on this break. Will they come back? But will they come back? Smiling, keep shining, knowing you had always on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I will love you here forevermore. That's what friends are for. Talent. You want to know more? You just know that you are talented. You're starving. Talent.
Don't do that.
Forget it.
It's unprofessional.
You lock me in the bedroom.
I bet make I give you the second gist, Jerry.
No.
Now, this second gist when I want give you no be gist way sweet my belly. Personally, I dey vex on top this gist because I don't know how some people get. Some people they open their mind demons like 79 million thousand demons.
Million thousand.
Can't sit down for inside the belly. Can't they walk for inside them? Now this young girl, she be stepmother to a particular child. She be 28 years old. Christiana Faturoti or something like that. Now be her name. Now.
I never know the story, but they do.
This particular girl, small pikin of 2 years old, because the girl wee had been a poo-poo for body. Now so she carry her, tie her leg, tie her hand, close her mouth, throw her for the floor of an empty room for several hours. She padlock him, come comot, go walk.
Oh. I beg. For my mind, they slap this face. Make they just come out.
I'm telling you something. Now neighbor, now you can't hear sound. Can't trace and can't see the empty room. They are under lock and key. After peeping, can't see the girl inside. Now you can't report. Quick. Anti-human trafficking, you understand now? Reports to them. Now they can't carry the girl, can't arrest the girl immediately.
Why person could just deal like this? Just one form.
You know, say the pikin mama, because this one are the stepmother now. The original pikin mama, when they inform her, she immediately gets this what they call temporary mental illness. Immediately, she first craze. You understand? Because even when she born the pikin self, you know, say it gets some people, some culture. You know, say this is our culture, and we did unique in different ways. It gets some mamas say once they first born, they go first craze. They worry some people. It don't happen to the mama. Can't hear this one join them again. She just craze finally. Wetin the pikin go do you reach like that? 2 years old child.
Pikin do natural thing.
Natural pikin they do. She's just 2 for God's sake.
Shame to bad people. Shame to bad people. Well, it good. See, no be which one I talk with you where they get beat the picking for spelling. You know if you spell.
You know where the husband meet. You know where the husband meet the yeye woman for Facebook.
So
she say meet her for Facebook. She in fact.
Well, now they do
the story self long.
Online love. Carry
demon poof house.
But any which way, on top of that particular gist, make I just jump, leave that sad one, jump, go another one that almost he is sad, but no can sad finish. It can't turn out to be something good. Now, this particular skydiver, all the way for Obodo for them. You know skydiving now, where people go enter inside aeroplane, all those small aeroplanes.
Groove.
They'll come jump.
Jump from plenty long
from
place.
long far place for sky. They come fly. They come up parachute. Come they do. This particular guy say make he go do his own on this fateful day. As he jump, come up for the aeroplane, somewhere in between in fall, 9 seizure hold am. See I'm like this now.
Fear, oh.
Somewhere in between, as the guy, see as he jump, the guy they follow. As they fall, they go like that. Now somewhere in between, just faint.
For him mind, it don't end. Everything don't over.
He just faint somewhere there. He just faint.
See.
He be like this. He be like this. Seizure go so hold am now. For those of now who don't know what seizure be, it dey be like when all your body just stay. Boom. You no go fit move body. You go just see am. Now, you don't get the seizure like this now.
You don't seize.
You don't seize. You can't dey try the battle. If you know the kind of sickness where you get, not to go dey try some kind things.
Ogbolor no be sickness, na fear.
If it be fear, if it be sickness, you understand any which way. Thank God for the guy where they follow and they jump. This one here, the guy come follow and like this, come hold him, come out in parachute, come release them. See, now God save him. As that one open the parachute now, the thing can't save the guy. He can't land with the parachute. If not, the way if I take use head, take scatter the full earth.
I tell you this thing. Full earth, oh.
The full earth. If we all land poor, the full earth for just scatter. So more the tank, don't make the guy just the tank in God for the guy we follow him. And thank God for God. See,
some
you
people,
land.
if you not sabi some, if you not get mind for some kind of things, no do. And so you talk now as one small boy where you know roller coaster.
Yeah,
you talk now that small boy. That roller coaster where children they use where they fast. Even big people say they enter them. But they fast. Oh, but also the guy faints 2 times.
He faints 2 times. He can't go up, go up. No. You wake up again, say you see there for up. In front one laugh die.
The same thing with boat cruise. I get one friend. She don't like water.
Yes.
She not like the enter water. We say, okay, make we go boat cruise. Not being we enter boat. Only her inside boat. Hey! She said something they call her, make she jump inside the water. Now hold her.
She say no be my water spirit. She no be my water spirit, they call her. Come, jump inside. Maybe. But last, some people say an adventure.
She said, the only water where they ever enter, and the one where they take bath.
So please, don't go say adventure. You can't jump, go do what you know fit do. I beg. Know who you be, know what you fit do. Not go jump past yourself. All in the name of I still want to explore for this life where would they say yes, so try some things, but know who you be first.
No overdo.
No overdo. All right. So for your go match break, all right, we'll go quickly go do laugh. We the come back. Yeah, and don't forget to follow us for social media at Wazobia PADI PADI or watch us for YouTube. New episodes done day for every time when we enter this show. Episodes the day on top YouTube. Wazobia TV / PADI PADI on top YouTube. So just go there and then you go see all your episodes of your favorite people. You know you love us. You know. See all the episodes on YouTube. Yeah. Break. See all the episodes. Break. The episodes. I knew it was going to happen, man. Someone had to get out of the line and hit his damn face on the wall, man. I knew it, man. I knew this. Boop, man. I said so that, please. He said so. I need this. Boop, man. Now that one we start with S. Oh, right. I need the boop, man. Yeah, that's okay. All right, we got pictures. Pictures. Only you. They watch football for cinema. You are selfish, greedy, everything. Only you. Exactly.
are not alone. Ogbolor is here with you.
I am here with you. There's only good. They shout for there. It's a goal.
This kind of man just hear cats.
Forget now. Him and spirits are food.
You never can be
all
too
those
sure.
spirits they won't know what match finish.
Who cut tree like this? This Oyibo people no just get sense.
But say you say this parallel where they hear now the reason say oh more die. But say you say if night go come, this guy if he go jump for back of this tree, just for jumping sake. Anyway, where will you live? Obesity of the giraffe.
The neck self no long again.
Obesity of the giraffe.
The neck no long again.
She no see other giraffe when you look at now.
Say, see your life.
You be hippopotamus. You not be giraffe again. This one they say, please, can someone take me through dieting?
Hey, you want to try?
Haters gonna hate.
Yeah.
Haters gonna hate.
Yeah.
With my satellite dish on my head.
Yeah.
Haters gonna hate, baby. You know what they do?
You do.
Yeah.
Do. Wow. See DJ Easy now.
DJ Easy
This
Beast.
not DJ Easy. I tell you before he bleach turn black.
DJ Easy Beast on the wings of steel.
I'm telling you. Before you go tan, can't turn black.
Yeah, they say that. They can't go tan, can't go black.
Can't go black.
Now go use
DJ Easy, you better here now.
Now, now because of
where
too
much. Where
where you can't lose color.
You can't lose color.
Lose color. They work out for the full Lagos. Lagos sun burn am, fry am. You know you can't grow hair, can't use engine oil, they cream am. Different things. Easy this bagger. You know what they do.
All right, okay, so now we take end on top PADI PADI today.
Yeah.
And it be like so we still get like 4 minutes. That 4 minutes, we no one know we go waste that.
We still get like 4 minutes.
Or 3 minutes.
About 2 or 3.
About 2 or 3 minutes.
More give them advice.
Advice.
All right.
No, they shout wrap it up. We know. We know our time.
We can rap anything. We rap music.
Yes.
We rap
moi. We rap stop it.
Corn. We rap anything rappable. What's strong about you? Not the first
so we can rap. We rap each other.
Anyway, show ladies, more rap waiting.
Talk, give them advice.
That rapping each other is not too advisable.
No, give them advice.
All right, which advice I want to give you now? Just a word for the day. Ladies and men to join, just make sure, say, as you go outside there today, no matter what you they go through, try put smile for your face.
Put a smile on your face.
The problem no big reach like that.
Yeah.
You know ever big. Most times when they make the problem, they bigger than waiting we think. Yeah. So don't make small stone turn to mountain. All right, go through your day today. They smile, give people, smile through any condition because it no bad reach as you think. Yeah.
So what's in they try talk be say. It no bad reach as you think.
So that for here go match break for this show. Just what the form says. Go for at Wazobia PADI PADI, at Wazobia PADI PADI, reach there, follow us just on top how you take feel the show. Shout out to all our people there with the Twitter, with the comment, with they give us better word. Thank you very much. We love all of you now. All right.
Friday go soon reach.
Yeah.
Friday go soon reach.
Yes.
And every time it's Friday.
Stop that thing, they make noise. Don't worry you. All right, so we love all of you. Bye-bye.